Saving money isn't about being cheap or cutting all the fun out of your life. It's about freedom. Let's be honest, most people want to save, but very few actually stay consistent. That's because saving often feels boring, restrictive, and optional, until an emergency hits. The real secret is understanding that saving isn't a one-time choice, it's a daily habit. When saving becomes automatic, it stops feeling painful and starts feeling empowering. In this video on saving money, we'll show you how to turn saving into something you do every day without stress, without guilt, and without destroying your lifestyle. Stay with us. One simple habit could change your financial future. Most people fail at saving because they treat it like an afterthought. They pay bills, spend on daily life, and hope there's something left to save at the end of the month. Usually, there isn't. That system is backwards. The fix is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. Instead of saving what's left, save first and live on the rest. When savings come out as soon as your income arrives, they become non-negotiable. Think of savings like rent or a utility bill. You don't skip those. Make saving automatic, and consistency will finally replace frustration. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to save too much, too fast. Setting a goal like $500 a month sounds motivating, but it often leads to burnout and quitting. The real secret is to start so small it feels almost effortless. Saving $1 a day, $5 per paycheck, or just 1% of your income may seem insignificant, but it adds up fast. $5 a day becomes $150 a month, or $1,800 a year. Small wins create momentum, and momentum turns saving into a habit that actually sticks. Willpower is unreliable, especially when money is involved. If you depend on motivation to save, you'll eventually stop. That's why automation is a game changer. When saving happens automatically, it becomes a background habit you don't have to think about. Set up an automatic transfer on payday, move the money into a separate savings account, and don't link a debit card to it. The flow should be simple. Paycheck hits your checking account, money transfers automatically into savings, and the rest is yours to spend. Out of sight truly means out of spending. Impulse spending quietly destroys saving habits. That quick purchase may feel small, but repeated often, it adds up fast. The 24-hour rule is a simple way to take back control. If something isn't essential, wait a full day before buying it. Most of the time, the urge fades, and you realize you didn't need it at all. Skipping just one $40 impulse purchase each week can turn into thousands of dollars over time when saved or invested. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making intentional choices instead of emotional ones. Saving money becomes much easier when it feels fun instead of forced. Turning saving into a game keeps you engaged and motivated. Try no-spend days where you challenge yourself not to buy anything unnecessary, or set weekly savings challenges with small goals. Rounding up purchases or using Save the Change apps can also build savings without effort. Skip a $6 coffee or a $12 fast food meal and move that money straight into savings. Those small wins add up fast, and suddenly saving money feels less like sacrifice and more like winning. Money disappears fastest when it has no clear purpose. Zero-based budgeting fixes that by giving every single dollar a job. With this method, your income minus expenses and savings equals zero, meaning nothing is left unassigned. Each dollar is planned for bills, fun spending, savings, or investing before the month begins. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money, it means you enjoy it intentionally. When your money has direction, it stops leaking through small, unnoticed expenses, and you gain full control over where your hard-earned income actually goes. Saving money without a clear reason rarely lasts. Someday is too vague to stay motivating when spending temptations show up. To make saving stick, you need a strong and emotional why. Maybe it's building an emergency fund so surprises don't stress you out, escaping debt, gaining peace of mind, or having the freedom to leave a job you hate. When your goal is personal and meaningful, it becomes easier to say no to short-term spending. Emotion beats math every time, and a powerful reason will always outlast weak excuses. Saving works best when it's attached to habits you already do every day. Instead of relying on memory or motivation, stack saving onto existing routines. Save a set amount every time you get paid. Transfer money to savings before you start scrolling social media. Skip eating out once and immediately move that money into savings. These small actions don't feel dramatic, but they add up fast. Daily and weekly habits compound far quicker than big, one-time efforts. When saving becomes part of your routine, it stops feeling like work and starts feeling automatic. Saving money isn't about giving up the things you love, it's about creating freedom, choices, and peace of mind. When saving becomes a daily habit, you stop letting money control you and start controlling it. Every small action builds momentum, turning financial stress into confidence. If this video helped you rethink your money habits, hit that like button, subscribe to Saving Money, and comment below. What's the hardest part about saving for you? Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Start today and take back control.